All right, guys, here we are again. Been practicing with our new titanium welder, the 140, and we've cleaned all this up right here. So we're going to give it a go with the new welder. The old welder wasn't working too good, so bear with us. We're going to give it a try. Just trying to fill in a little bit at a time, not let it get too hot. That's why we're jumping around. I will tell you, this welder has a hair trigger, so you got to be careful. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. Always want to clean off your welds, especially when you're using flux core. See if I can punch a little bit more in this one before we clean it up. All right, we're going to keep playing with it. Always, man, it's just out here in the shop, the old man, and we're trying to save some money, teach ourselves how to do a few things even at our old age. So y'all stay with us. We'll talk to you soon.